Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find a barcode in Cash App to deposit money at Walgreens. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up your Cash App and then make sure you're signed in as well. Now from here in the bottom section you will find this little bank icon in the bottom left. Go ahead, tap on it. So once you're in this banking section, go ahead, simply scroll down a bit. Upon doing that, you will have clear access to this option of paper money. Go ahead, tap on it. And now it will simply gonna show you this deposit location. Right, simply go ahead, tap on this option of show barcode in the bottom section. So now you can simply see this deposit locations, right? So you can see Walgreens is just right over there in the Bay Village. Go ahead, tap on it and then tap on show barcode once you have chosen it. Then you're going to find this option. You can see Walgreens and directions and show barcode option. Go ahead, tap on the show barcode. And then you will be able to see your cash barcode on top. You can see ask cashier to scan barcode as well. So there are steps given as well, how they can do it, and the limit on transaction as well. And now you can simply tap on this done in the bottom for the transaction purpose once it has been used. And again, once the transaction has been done, you can see this is how it's gonna pop up. You have added particular amount to your balance and you're good to go. Now tap on done and that is it. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.